me wake up. Me hungry. Me also broke. So today me explain what is bank. When caveman collect many dollars, he no know where to hide. Put under pillow. Why find? Dig hole. Raccoon dig better. Hide in sock. Forget, then wash it. So cavemen invent bank. Bank like someone else cave. You bring your dollars. Say, please guard. Me come back later. Bank say, okay, take paper. Paper like magic amulet. Show paper, get dollars back. But bank no just sit and guard. Bank get bored. Start using your dollars to make more dollars. Lend to other cavemen. Say, here, take dollar, return to later. This called interest. Not love, just math. Bank always want more number. You come back, where my dollars? Bank say, relax, me track everything on rock. But if all cavemen come same day, bank cry, say, not all dollars at home. This called bank run. Cavemen run, yow, panic. So bank hide money in big metal box and hire big guy with club to guard it. Bank say, money safe, kinda. But if bank burn, dollars go bye-bye. Then government say, no worry, if bank die, we give you new dollars. This called insurance, fancy magic. Also, bank give you paper, so you take loan. You take loan, buy Mammoth or iPhone. Then spend 37 winters paying it back. But hey, at least you had iPhone. Bank also charge fee for breathing near it. Fee for having account. Fee for closing account. Fee for looking suspicious. Bank like middleman with nice chair. Take dollars from some, give to others. Then sit in middle, drink coffee, count interest. Sometimes bank help. Sometimes bank feel like legal thief. But without bank, only chaos. So cavemen fear bank, but still go there. Because better someone else cave with lock than sock with hole. Now you know what is bank. If no understand, no worry. Bank also no understand. Me go now. Me try open checking account with 3 rocks. You subscribe. Or bank charge fee for watching free video. Bye!